Good morning and welcome to a beautifully sunny day here at Busch Gardens. It's just me and Ollie today. For some reason the girls didn't want to come with us, so that means the kids are going to be staying back at the villa with the girls to go in the pool for the day, and it's just me and Ollie for the day. So we're going to hit up loads of rides and have a good day, and yeah, looking forward to it. So the old wooden one here is closed. Can't get in it at all, which I'm not surprised because it actually shakes your brains out. So hopefully they're probably going to knock it down and put something new up. But yeah, that ride was awful. So the park is really dead today. None of the little like kiosk things are open.
The staff haven't turned up.
But then they all look empty inside, so it looks like they've not been open for a while. Whether they've just cut a load of staff or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, hopefully we should get on some rides nice and quickly. Thanks to our disabled friend here.
I've got so much room in my harness. Like, it's like, yeah.
More fun that way, though.
It is.
Because it might come undone.
Huh? No. See for miles. Just see for miles. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! Peace! Next one. I can just smell hot dogs.
So we've just been on the Stanley Falls flume, and that is surprisingly a good log flume, as it is so old and so rickety, and yeah, it's just proper old school.
And the boat had a hole in it.
And the boat had a hole in it, so we was getting really wet. But it was good. I enjoyed it. It makes a refreshing change. Yay! Oh my god, there's one that got out! Oh no, it's just you. Ooh, it's a big scary tiger. Alright, how's he gonna get out? Oh, we can walk through that water, I think.
That's an actual fact.
Maybe that one might think about it.
No, 100%.
He's like half Bengal, half not.
100% tigers cannot do it.
Oh, he has a very white belly. Oh, I bet you guys at that tree.
Oh, no way. I wouldn't.
He's like, no,
Not really thinking close.
no, I'm just gonna chill.
Go there and find out.
That's genius. So you can buy these coins, tokens, put them in this machine, and get people very wet.
Hating on other people and they love it. It's great.
It's good fun. Let's do it. Brilliant. Go. Oh, yay! You're welcome. So Cumber is still closed. It was closed the last time I came here as well. I don't know if they've got plans to open it or what's happening. Probably not. Doesn't look like it's been running a while. So the locker system here is really good, I think. Basically you pay $6 for a locker, you put in a 7-digit code and then a 4-digit code, and basically they have locker sites all around the park, and all you do is when you go to the new area you put your 7-digit code in and it transfers you to a locker to that area, which is really helpful.
Good system. Works.
It's very good, works.
Better than $15.
Other parks should adopt this. Exactly. You can drive boats. Bum, 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 bum. Yes. Go! We gotta lean. If boats aren't your thing, how about some monster trucks?
I know what I got.
So we've been on Scorpion and that was scarier than it should have been. It's a very old ride, you can tell, it's very rickety, but it's a winner because it's just a free fall. Still, yeah, it says at the top of the lift hill, do not raise your arms, which you can see why, because there's a lot of head choppers on it. And you probably would lose your fingers if you wasn't careful. But it was good, I recommend it. we've been on Dragon's Fury. It's the drop tower that leans you forward. That was good, enjoyed that, really high, you can see for miles. Yeah, did you like that one?
Really good. Doesn't drop as far as you think, but it is high.
It is high, and it's very enjoyable, and I liked it, and we're probably going to do it again before we go.
When it went like that, did that make all the blood rush to your feet?
Yeah, my feet are kind of
Yeah. Just done Cheetah, which was a nice ride. It's always nice and smooth, that one. Unfortunately, Cobra's Curse broke down just as we got here. It was working, we could see it working just as we walked into the area, and then just about to go on it, and closed. And it's been closed for probably about an hour now, and it doesn't look like it's going to be opening anytime soon. So yeah, sucks we don't get to go on that one. So I think that's us for the day now. Yeah, it's a lolly. So yeah, we'll go back to see the wives and kids and see what sort of day they've had. But thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So bye.
Bye.